The whole world is shocked. Mecca has been battered by a terrifying thunderstorm. Late on Tuesday, a bolt of lightning struck the famous Fairmont Makkah Clock Royal Tower Hotel, lighting up the night sky as pilgrims attempted to circle the Kaaba, the enormous black cube toward which all Muslims pray. Hussein al-Qahtani, spokesman for the National Center for Meteorology, told AFP that the storm produced gale-force gusts that exceeded 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour. According to Qahtani, the weather was comparable to a storm in 2015 that caused a crane at the Grand Mosque to fall, killing over 100 people and wounding hundreds more. There were no casualties in the storm on Tuesday. Abu Mayyada, a native of Mecca, told AFP that as the worst of the storm arrived, everything went black in front of me as he was out purchasing cigarettes and gasoline. I abruptly lost control of the car. I began listening to the Quran on the radio because I was unable to see anything. I didn't know what was going on, he admitted. The Meteorology Center said that al-Qahtani, a neighborhood in Mecca, received 45 millimeters, 1.8 inches, of rain in a 24-hour period in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter. Residents of Mecca sent video to AFP showing pilgrims outside the Grand Mosque being knocked over by the wind, which also caused crowd barricades to slide across the wet ground. Mohammed, a native of Mecca, described the scene as very frightening while he was food shopping during the storm's peak. When the crazy rain started, everything happened within a few minutes. Yusuf, a different local, claimed that while Mecca typically experiences severe winds in August, the storm on Tuesday was the worst he could recall. By Wednesday morning, the homeowners, who would only use their first names out of fear of retaliation, claimed that the flash flooding had mostly subsided. However, the Mecca regional government said on X that schools would be shuttered in some areas of Mecca and that classes would be held online instead, in the interest of everyone's safety. The Mecca region and other parts of western Saudi Arabia could experience rain, wind, and thunder on Wednesday, the Meteorology Center warned.